I'm going out. I'm not going out, but I'm spending the day with my cousin today, so I'm going to Cupid. And I have to be ready. How to get ready right now. So I'm going to take a shower. I brushed my teeth this morning and I had to go to Winners to buy some stuff. But then I came back and now I have to go take a shower and you know, get cleaned up a little bit. And then I'll be on my way there. I'm having a little stroll around Cupid. But it's fucking cold here in Rosehill, so I wonder how cold it will be. Cupid, so I have to find a fit that fits. Not fits me, but like fits the weather, so we'll see. Guys, I got a bath, took a shower, now we're gonna go and work on some makeup. I have to be ready right now, I have to go, but I'm always late, so. So I'm late. It's not happening, I'm late. I'm telling you, I'm late. And yeah, I want to show you my outfits. Just this jeans and my boots. That's it. And I bought some new sleeves, which I'm gonna use today. How fucking classy. And yeah, I'm so fucking late. I'm on my way now. I got to go. And yeah, I'll show you a little bit when how it happens. C'est ça, moi qui ai l'air immense. Moi qui ai l'air bien. C'est petit, ça compression de clochard. C'est-tu que t'as bien les pieds là? C'est des chaussettes de couleurs différentes. Même chaussettes, mais différentes couleurs. Après, là, c'est pour moi, Chan.
Ma vie comme ça.
Il y a le bouton qu'il a. Non. On peut même plus se nettoyer en paix ici. Trop tard. Les bouffées étoilées, hein? Badum, 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 badum. The festival, food festival, fucking thing, the food festival in Prudent. I'll show you, take it around with me. Ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii? Man är långt från kusten skär. Ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii? Men det lindrar i ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär. Ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii? So we ended up buying a lot of stuffs, but I couldn't take pics because our hands were loaded because like we bought, I think we bought a dosa. I bought sushis. I'm not gonna see it. I bought sushis and I'm trying it. It's from La Bourdonnais. I've never tasted their sushis before, so it's the first. And so let's see if it's actually worth the price. Kind of a penny I got there. I gave there, I should say. Wasabi. The wasabi is really good, and the ginger is so good. It is not plasticky. It doesn't taste like plastic or commercial made. It actually tastes like real ginger. It's real good. It's really good. The salmon is really good. The fish and the salmon, really good. Very great pieces as well. Let me show you the dosa, which is pretty good. I think it was from Little India, something like that. I already ate the piece in it, sorry. But the dosa, very nice. Very nice piece, generous servings. It came with its masala and everything. I didn't taste this curry yet, so let's see. Really good. 8 out of 10. Then my best one, best dosa, Little India. I don't think the name is Little India, but best dosa I ate, Little India. It's a couple. Best. I'm gonna finish this plate of sushi upstairs now. I'll see you later.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens.
Made a huge old mess. While trying to find for something to wear, yes. And last night, look at that. I have to clean that up, but I came up with an outfit which is really cute. It's in here. I'm gonna show you. Later, I wanna put it on. But yeah. Now let's go with the hair. Now let's see what's going on. What's going on? Pull up in the ew. I look good, right? Doja Cat. I have to wear something on top because it's cold. Looks so cute. So casually hearing me chew my chewing gum. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna look at myself in every fucking mirror I see.
Motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important.
That's it for the video today. See you guys next time. Stay safe out there and
Work in the history of man.
whatever. Just stay safe and take your precautions.
Motivation.